more or less been raining since we left Limerick, so not a particularly nice day. Having said that, just going to try and push through as far as we can. Decided not to stop in Athlone, just keeping going if we can reach Cavan. As Angie said, she's wet now through anyway, so not much point in stopping until we can actually pull in somewhere and dry off a bit. We have been stopping every so often to get her a nice warm cup of tea and some pain medication just to keep her upright. We'll check in when we get to Cavan, hopefully.